Hello, Ms. Neville's math students. So today in this pre-recorded video, we're going to be converting fractions to percents and decimals to percents. What's important for us to remember here is we've done the hard work. Yeah, we've done the heavy lifting. In other words, converting, finding the equivalent fraction and converting it to with a denominator of 100 is the hard stuff. And that's what we were working on last week, and we'll continue to work on it this week because we had some time off this weekend. So I want to make sure we remember that in class today. But let's do some of the easier stuff today. And we want to do that by we're going to convert 98 hundredths, yes, 98 over 100 into a percent. It's important for us to remember that percent literally means per 100. So if my fraction is already over 100, that is just 98%. If my denominator is 100, my percent is going to be what the numerator is, so 98%. In this case, our numerator will be 2%. Okay, easy peasy. So let's say I have, let's do this from the very beginning. Let's say I have 4/10, and I need to know what that looks like as a percent. Well, there's a step that I have to follow. The first thing I have to do is change this, is to find the equivalent fraction here. So remember, when we're finding the equivalent fraction, we do 10 times what number will equal 100. And that denominator, 10 times 10, whatever I'm multiplying by with the denominator, I must multiply by the same number with the numerator. So 10 times 10 equals 100. 4 times 10 equals 40. So now it's easy. Now I have my denominator of 100. So my percent is 40%. Okay? So that's our first video. That's our first thing that we need to understand when we're converting fractions to percents. Now let's talk about converting fractions to decimals. We want to remember that our lives are going to be so easy if our denominator is 100. So if I take that same example we just did, 4/10, I want to change this to a decimal, okay? Remember, this is not a whole number. This is out of 10 pieces of cake, 4 of them have been eaten. So this is a fraction of a number. This is a part of a whole number. So I am not going to have a number before that zero. That's going to be, before that decimal, that's going to be a 0 here, okay? So 0 point what? To find that out, all I need to do is put this over 100, okay? Got some converting here to do. 10 times 10 is going to give me 100 for my denominator. Whatever I multiply my denominator by here, I have to multiply that same number with my numerator, and that is 40, okay? So now, 40 over 100, we want to remember that this first spot right behind our decimal is the tenths, and then this second place is the hundredths. So 40 over 100 is 40 hundredths. That's how that should look, okay? I hope this helps you out. Can't wait to see everyone in class today.